The topic of student loan debt is often in the news, and rightfully so. Americans owe a total of $1.75 trillion, which translates to nearly 43 million people owing an average of $39,351 each. The year-long deferment on federal student loan payments that were granted in the wake of the COVID-19 outbreak has expired on January 31, 2022, adding to the stress of the situation. This is worrying news for many borrowers, since a recent Credit Karma poll indicated that 48% of respondents are not presently making loan payments, with 39% of those persons utilizing the money to pay for needs instead. If student debt is weighing heavily on your mind, not to mention your daily life, it may be time to look for a job that will assist you in paying off some of your student debt. Many businesses are stepping in to assist lessen the burden of student debt, which continues to be a big source of worry for Americans. Fortunately, there are several firms that assist with the repayment of student loans. In this video, we've compiled a comprehensive list of companies that will pay off your student loan debt. Welcome to the YouTube channel. And before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 13. Aetna. Aetna, a healthcare insurance corporation, covers student debts and provides a tuition reimbursement scheme. Aetna will match qualified workers' student loan payments provided they fulfill certain conditions. Aetna's tuition aid programs covers 100% of qualified costs for degrees or job-related schooling. Aetna will pay up to $5,000 each year towards a degree for full-time workers, and up to $2,500 for job-related courses and certifications. Aetna provides up to $2,500 for degree-related courses and $2,500 for career-related courses to part-time workers working 20 to 39 hours per week. Number 12. Ally Financial. Employees may get up to $100 per month in student loan repayment, help via Ally Total Rewards program, up to a maximum of $10,000. According to the corporation, around 19% of its workers have taken advantage of this incentive, obtaining a total of $1.95 million in combined student loan aids. Number 11. TERMINIX. TERMINIX is a pest control firm that has operations in 47 states throughout the United States. Employers' student loan payback scheme allows workers to receive up to $50 per month against their student debts, with no maximum amount earned over the course of their careers. Employees must be full-time workers with annual earnings of less than $150,000 to be eligible, and the debt can't be in default on a student loan. Number 10. HCA. Hospital Corporation of America, founded in 1968, is one of the country's leading healthcare providers. More than 300 associate hospitals, commercial offices, and outpatient treatment centers make up the corporation. HCA provides tuition payback aid of up to $100 for full-time workers, and $50 for part-time employees is one of the perks it provides to its employees. Number 9. WEEDMAPS. WEEDMAPS, a privately owned software and technology firm with a goal to develop answers for and alter the cannabis industry, is also helping to transform the lives of its employees by assisting with student loan debt repayment. The Irvine, California-based firm contributes up to $1,000 each year to employee student debt repayment. Number 8. Penguin Random House. Penguin Random House was the first book publishing business to provide repayment aid when it announced it in 2016. PRH pays up to $1,200 per year to help workers pay off their student loans. The program will last 7 years and will pay out a maximum of $9,000 in total. To be eligible, employees must be full-time and have worked for the firm for at least a year. Number 7. CHEGG. CHEGG seems to be among the pioneers of the student debt repayment aid movement, which seems totally fitting for a student learning platform. As part of CHEGG's Equity for Education initiative, which began in 2019, all workers with at least 2 years of service earn up to $5,000 towards student loans each year. Notably, the benefit is available to any CHEGG employee in the United States who has student debt, regardless of whether they attended a 2- or 4-year college or eventually graduated. Furthermore, the additional Equity for Education grant is on top of the $1,000 per year that CHEGG workers with student debt are currently eligible for. Number 6. Andersen Tax LLC. Andersen Tax established a strategy to assist workers in repaying their student loan debt in early 2017. Andersen Global gives full-time workers $100 per month for 60 months as a contribution towards student debt repayments via the Student Loan Assistance Program. In addition, the corporation provides a lump sum payout of $6,000 at the conclusion of the 5-year period. This results in a total contribution to student debt of $12,000 for the year. Number 5. CARHARTT. Apparel shop CARHARTT provides clothing and accessories for men, women, and children. CARHARTT is based in the United States. Employers were given the opportunity to participate in a student debt payback scheme in 2018. CARHARTT will pay $50 per month towards worker loans, up to a maximum of $10,000 as part of the program's provisions. The Tuition.io student debt payback plan is open to both part-time and full-time workers, and it is administered by Tuition.io. Number 4. Andersen Global. The fact that a financial counseling business like Andersen Global would be among the organizations that assist students in repaying their student debts makes logical. If you fulfill the requirements, you may be eligible to receive up to $100 per month in student loan repayment assistance. Then, after 5 years of service with the organization, you may get a lump sum payment of up to $6,000, bringing the total amount of assistance you could receive to a maximum of $12,000. Number 3. American Family Insurance. American Family Insurance provides insurance in a number of different categories, including life, homeowners, health, car, business, and farm insurance. The organization offers flexible positions in a variety of professional areas, including event planning, project management, human resources and recruitment, web design, and administration. Qualifying workers who graduated from college with an associate's degree or higher who have student loan debt will get a $100 monthly contribution to help them pay it off, up to a lifetime maximum of $10,000 in contributions. Number 2. Google. Google, one of the world's top technological corporations, employs more than 100,000 people in its many divisions. In 2021, it established a new student loan program for its workers in the United States. Google will match up to $2,500 in student loan debt each year for any employee who participates in the program. Number 1. U.S. Government. Government of the United States. Even the federal government supports the idea of assisting individuals in repaying their student loan obligations. You may get up to $10,000 every year, with a lifetime maximum of $60,000 available. However, there are other alternatives for student loan repayment aid, such as the fact that if you work for the government for 10 years and make 120 eligible payments, you may be able to have your remaining total dismissed from your student loan debt. If you accept employment offers from firms that pay off student debts, it's difficult to think of a drawback to doing so. One thing to keep in mind is that the repayment help may be taxed based on your company's program. In any case, this is money that's on the table for you to accept, and when it comes to repaying student loans, a little more assistance might go a long way. That concludes the video, and we hope you enjoyed our video. If you want to suggest a topic for a video, feel free to suggest in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Please continue to do so, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.